Hey guys! Hey guys, welcome back. So today, obviously, we are in a different location. Welcome to my bedroom. I decided to film in here today because A is comfortable AF in here. And we have a humongous box that we wanted to unbox. It is huge. We got a box, a huge PR box actually from Covergirl. Hold on, honey. First of all, I just wanted to say a huge thank you to Covergirl for hooking it up. They literally sent me a ginormous box. I will show you guys in just 1 second. And also I wanted to thank you guys for supporting me and obviously believing in me, because none of these PR companies would send me anything without you guys. So thank you so much. And yeah, can we show them what we got, honey?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's just gonna make noise to you people.
Yeah. So this is the box that we got.
What does my face tell you?
Does
it say that I'm vain?
Are you ready? Okay. So the first thing, as you guys can see, it has little slide outs, like little cajoncitos. And this one says lips, eyes, and skin. And it literally comes with a whole bunch of things. So let's start from the top. Sorry. Squish your finger. So they sent me the entire collection of their new melting pout matte liquid lipsticks. So we're going to swatch them for you guys really quick. Show them your arm. These are not coming off. Okay, so let's move on to the lips portion of the box. Guys, I am set with like lip glosses and lipsticks. Honey, move over here because your big old head is right at the middle of the camera. So these on the top are all glosses. Sorry, honey. I'm going to cover you for a second. On the top are all glosses. And then on the top are more lipstick shades. Now, the lip glosses are the ones that are in collaboration with, what's her name? Katy Perry. And there's a ton of them. And again, these are super colorful, like blue. We have purples, like super pretty colors. Honestly, these are not colors that I know I will wear, but somebody will like them. Then we have like a translucent or just a clear gloss, and then this really pretty nudie peach one. So let's swatch the glosses, and then we can move on to swatching the Covergirl Queen Collection. Oh, I think these are the ones with Queen Latifah.
I don't know what they are.
Huh?
I don't know what they are.
What's what are?
I don't know.
You don't know? Do you like the little kitties on here?
Mm-hmm.
Show them what you're wearing on your lips. She wore this one because she loves hot pink glosses or anything glitter and pink. She loves, of course. She's a little girl. This one is Kitty Karma. And let's show them the swatches. Okay, now you say. Let's move on to the next lipsticks.
Let's move on to the next lipstick.
These are all I think these are the Queen Latifah collection. These look so pretty. Like, look at these 3 shades. These just scream my name. So there we have again the swatches. She is being such a pro at this. You're a natural. You're a natural. Next one is eyes. This one's really cool. It comes with some eyeshadow palettes. It looks like some gel eyeliners. And then possibly some eyeliners and mascara. So let's open these bad boys up and see what they're all about.
Okay.
Shall we?
Yeah, I'm going to open this one.
Okay. So these are also the Katy Cats palettes by Katy Perry. These are super cute. They have a little gatito. Oh, these are cute. Look, they have a little kitty face. Ooh, look at these shadows. Okay, so this is what the shadows look like. They're really pretty. I want to try this one. Let me see. Can I try them on you? Close your eye. You're You're so extra. So it came with 2 palettes. This is one of them. The other one, ooh, this one's colorful. I love the little kitty on them, the little prints. That is so pretty. Do you guys see that? We have 3 eyebrow pencils. Ooh, I'm excited. We have rich brown. We have soft blonde. And then we have honey brown. That's cool. Oh, and then we have soft brown. And then these seem to be Covergirl. Yeah, I think these are eyeliners. They're pretty small. Do you guys see that? They are super tiny. Like, look at this little chingaderita. It's tiny. Then we have 2 mascaras. These are the Covergirl Peacock Flare Hydrofuge mascara. I don't know. The packaging is super cool. It's very bulky. And then these are liquid liners. Yeah, so these are liquid liners. We have, ooh, look at this one.
Ooh, that's dark.
That is dark, huh? And then we have the Covergirl True Naked Smoky eyeshadow palette. I've never tried these. These look really pretty, but I don't know. I have to try them out.
I can put them up for them.
So the next one, or the last one, is Skin, right? And it's this one right here. So it comes, ooh, this one's like my favorite one. I'm really excited about this one. So we have, let's see. This one is a luminizing lotion. Ooh. And this is a Vitalist Go Glow luminizing lotion. Oh, so they're both the same thing. I just think this one's a lighter shade, and then this is a darker shade. These are, let's see what these are. These are the Vitalist Healthy Glow highlighters. Oh my gosh. Ooh, these are pretty. So we have 3 shades. This one, oh, we have more. 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 of them. We also got some healthy Vitalist powders. These are just to set your skin. I'm always on the hunt for a good drugstore setting powder because your homegirl loves setting powders. This one is super light, so I know I'm not going to be able to wear this one. This is in the shade Ivory. This one as well is really light. This is in the shade Buff Beige. This one is in the shade Medium Beige. It still looks too light with pink undertones. And that one just looks too orange, too peachy. This one is in the shade Warm Beige. I'm going to have to try this one out. This might, I don't know, it looks too peach for me. And then we also got the True Blend Pre-Touching Palette. This is a color correcting palette does. So the yellow, it evens discoloration, green reduces redness, and purple is supposed to brighten your skin tone. A whole bunch of concealers. I think this is like their entire collection of concealers. I'm not sure. And then the very last thing that I have in the box is the Look Lock Up All Day Setting Mist. And this is what it looks like. So it's just a setting spray to set your entire face. Okay guys, that completes it. This is the entire box of Covergirl. We got so much stuff to play with. If you guys want to see like a first impression on all of this makeup, I'd be more than happy to do so. Let me know in the comment section down below and I will get that video for you guys ASAP. What else? What did you like? What was your favorite thing? The lip glosses? The one you're wearing? Yeah, that was your favorite thing? I like those too. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. And my little one, they don't even know your name. What's your name? ¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Cómo te llamas? Oh, don't be acting like you don't know how to speak Spanish. Diles cómo te llamas. Say.
Leilani.
Leilani. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to unbox these with us. If you guys want to see more videos with me and my little one and my bedroom unboxing huge boxes, definitely let me know. I love you guys and we will see you in our next video. Bye!